Hello, welcome to the HKUST New Student Orientation. The presentation will begin by highlighting the most common and essential IT services available to new students at the university. First up, let's talk about account service. Your account name will be created using your initials and surname. Your email address will end with @connect.ust.hk and will be formatted to display your account name, followed by @connect.ust.hk. Next, let's talk about email service and phishing email. Students can access their email via https://365.ust.hk. You can install Microsoft Outlook on both computers and mobile devices for convenient email access. When using email services, it's important to be vigilant against deceptive sender email addresses. Remember that no legitimate company will ever send you an email requesting your username, password, or any other personal identification information. For optimal security, we advise regularly updating your password. For additional information on phishing emails, please view the training video in the email phishing section of the A to Z service guide on our website. Next, let's talk about multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication is an enhanced login process that adds an extra layer of security. In addition to the password, which represents the what you know factor, it requires the what you have factor, such as a mobile phone app. Secure your resources by verifying user identities before granting access to prevent unauthorized entry. We will show you the steps. First, enter your HKUST account and password at the login prompt. Then, use your physical device to verify your identity, such as your mobile phone or tablet. Once authenticated, you will be securely logged into the system. You can download and activate your HKUST account using the Microsoft Authenticator app. It is available on both Apple iOS and Google Android platforms. Services that necessitate MFA include email service, account service, virtual barn, administrative services, secure remote access, Zoom, Canvas and services with single sign-on login. Moving on, let's talk about on-campus Wi-Fi access. Connecting to Wi-Fi on campus is easy. We will be deploying the Wi-Fi 7 network, which provides a secure wireless environment. It is compatible with various mobile devices, including Android and Apple iOS, as well as notebooks running Apple Mac OS and Microsoft Windows 11 or 10. The service is available throughout the HKUST campus and at other institutions supporting Eduroam. To access the Eduroam Wi-Fi service, ensure that the username or identity entered is your HKUST account, followed by @connect.ust.hk. Now, let's talk about Microsoft 365. This service is available to all current students. You can install Microsoft 365 apps on up to 5 devices, and supported platforms include Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Next, let's talk about Generative AI Tools. The HKUST Gen AI platform is developed by ITSO and hosted on a secure and scalable cloud platform. The platform provides functionality similar to the public OpenAI ChatGPT, but with chat data protected and accessible only by the user. The Open Web UI is a new platform developed by ITSO to support generative AI services, offering enhanced features such as web search, document and image input, voice interaction, including Cantonese, and switching between different AI models with ease. Moving on, let's talk about printing facilities and services. We offer over 50 printing facilities for students, located in most campus areas. Available printing services include black and white, color, and A3 paper, and A4 paper size options. These areas include multiple places on main campus, CYT, LSK, student halls, library, and computer barns. Each student is allocated 150 free carbon counts at the beginning of each academic year. The carbon count will increase with the use of printing. After the carbon count exceeds 150, printing will be charged accordingly to a ladder charging concept. That is, the more you print, the higher rate you pay. You can use the Print Budget Inquiry program to check your balance and obtain a detailed statement. Unused carbon counts will not be carried forward to the next academic year. You can increase your print budget by Visa Card or MasterCard, FPS, WeChat, and Alipay from the online system. Purchased print budget amount will not be reset at the beginning of each academic year. For more details, you can visit the Print Budget section in the A to Z Service Guide on our website. Now, let's talk about computing facilities. We provide computer barns across the campus for the university community's use. We have computer barns A, B, and C are currently open. For the latest service hours, please refer to our website. Remember to keep food and drinks outside the computer barns. Moreover, the virtual barn allows students can quickly access computer barn software and all printers from anywhere at any time using their own devices. The photos show the entrance to the computer barns. Next, let's talk about cybersecurity services. For copyright infringements, HKUST's acceptable use policy requires that you abide by the copyright and patent laws of Hong Kong. In particular, we would like to remind users of the 4 don't. For more details on security awareness, you are welcome to visit the Cybersecurity Services section in the A to Z Service Guide on our website. Lastly, let's talk about helpful resources. Our website provides many online resources to help students navigate the university's IT systems. These resources include user guides, video tutorials, and FAQs. Scan the QR code to access our website. On our website, you will find information for students to access relevant IT services. For inquiries related to ITSO services, you may use the AI assistant available on our website. This assistant is dedicated solely to providing information and will only respond to questions specifically concerning ITSO services. HKUST Student and HKUST QR Code are commonly used apps. The HKUST Student app aims at helping students to access both academic and non-academic resources provided by the university anytime, anywhere. By using your mobile devices, you can access the information easily. The HKUST QR code is a tool designed for HKUST members and affiliated person to generate secure, dynamic, and personalized QR codes that can be used to gain physical access to HKUST Smart Door System controlled locations. If you require face-to-face support, our student consultancy is available in Computer Barn B. Additionally, students are welcome to visit the service desk for in-person assistance during office hours. Thank you! We hope you find your academic journey at HKUST enriching and enjoyable.